For over 60 years, the Organization for Tropical Studies, also known as OTS or OET, La Organización para Estudios Tropicales, has served as a bridge for people to experience, learn, and contribute to science, education, and conservation. But what is OTS? Why does it matter? And where are we going? Join the story. OTS was founded in 1963 with the idea that the best way to understand the tropics was to learn in the tropics. That if we could immerse students in doing science in the field, we could shape a generation of scientists, leaders, and decision makers. OTS is a registered 501c3 nonprofit with a consortium of about 50 top universities and research institutions across 5 countries and 3 continents. OTS is an engine of discovery, recovery, and stewardship for the world's tropical ecosystems. Our main headquarters are in the US in Durham, North Carolina, and a center in San Jose, Costa Rica that handles many in-country operations for our Costa Rican programs. From there, the heart of in the field lies in our 4 research stations, with the 5th one on the way. 3 in Costa Rica, La Selva, Palo Verde, and Las Cruces, where OTS has over 60 years of work and long-term data. In Skukuza, inside Kruger National Park, in South Africa, where OTS has over 20 years of work and long-term data in partnership with the South African National Parks, Sandparks, and the Sasani Trust. OTS offers a global community built on long-lasting connections. OTS has been here for decades, the forest and savanna for millennia. We're a bridge between today's students and timeless ecosystems, connecting the present, past, and future to a story much larger than ourselves. La Selva Research Station pioneered private forest conservation in Costa Rica, as it was the first of what is now a large network of private forest reserves in the country. La Selva Research Station offers 1,600 hectares of well-preserved old growth and recovering wet lowland tropical forest next to the Braulio Carrillo National Park. The 4 to 6 kilometer wide forested corridor that connects La Selva at 35 meters above sea level to the Barba volcano at 2,906 meters is one of the best preserved elevational gradients in the tropics. Las Cruces Research Station protects one of the largest remaining fragments of tropical wet pre-montane forest in Cotobruz, southern Costa Rica. The Wilson Botanical Garden, which is part of Las Cruces Research Station, has one of the most important plant collections in Central America, with an extensive collection of palms, tropical and subtropical ornamentals, unusual plant families, and endangered plants from Costa Rica and other parts of the world. Palo Verde Research Station, located inside Palo Verde National Park, holds one of the largest and most important Central American wetlands and harbors one of the most intact patches of tropical lowland dry forest remaining in Central America. Skukuza Science Leadership Initiative, SSLI campus, officially opened in 2017. Located inside Kruger National Park, Skukuza offers a highly diverse, semi-arid savanna environment. Given the size of the park, the diversity of vegetation types and landscapes, the ecological gradients, and the intact fauna and flora communities, Skukuza is ideally located to engage in a broad range of ecological, community, and landscape research, as well as for conservation science. Furthermore, the contrast between the protected areas and transforming landscapes outside the park offers significant opportunities for social ecological studies. This is all to say that we aim to provide the spaces, tools, and resources that foster a community of students, researchers, educators, decision makers, artists, photographers, filmmakers, historians, and nature lovers to be a part of the transcendent learning bridge that OTS offers. OTS is about impact, research, education, conservation, and participatory science. OTS is about bringing people together, our students, scientists, local communities, decision makers, and nature enthusiasts to protect what matters most. We've trained over 11,000 students from more than 70 countries, taught over 400 courses, provided scholarships to over 800 students, supported more than 490 faculty-led courses, as well as being referenced in over 6,400 scientific publications. And these stories of impact continue to grow. We're committed to sharing knowledge and unique capacities to address challenges to conservation and sustainability of Earth's richest biomes. We're helping answer the world's most urgent questions with science and with purpose. This is a community built on research, data, discovery, wonder, joy, and dedication. Where are you? We invite you to be a part of the story. There's a place for you here. Join a global community that's been making an impact for over 60 years. Discover what it means to lead with knowledge, to protect with science, and to learn by doing.